Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the limits to send someone on Venmo. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's fast, easy, and secure. But what if you want to send someone a large amount of money? What are the limits? In this video, I'll answer the following questions. What are the daily and weekly limits for sending money on Venmo? What are the monthly limits for sending money on Venmo? How can I increase my limits on Venmo? I'll also provide some tips for using Venmo safely. So, let's get started. What are the daily and weekly limits for sending money on Venmo? The daily and weekly limits for sending money on Venmo vary depending on your account verification level. Unverified accounts, the daily limit is $2,500 and the weekly limit is $10,000. Verified accounts, the daily limit is $5,000 and the weekly limit is $20,000. Verified Plus accounts, the daily limit is $10,000 and the weekly limit is $40,000. What are the monthly limits for sending money on Venmo? The monthly limit for sending money on Venmo is $50,000 for all account verification levels. How can I increase my limits on Venmo? You can increase your limits on Venmo by verifying your account. To verify your account, you will need to provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You may also be asked to provide a photo ID. Once you have verified your account, you will be able to increase your daily and weekly limits. You can also request a higher monthly limit by contacting Venmo support. Tips for using Venmo safely. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful when using Venmo to buy or sell goods and services. Review your transactions regularly. Report any suspicious activity to Venmo. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money. However, it's important to be aware of the limits before you use it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.